I'm Władysław Mizia. I'm representing Polish Deloitte. I'm responsible for healthcare sector in Poland. I will describe what can we do with this technology, with technology stock of Nvidia already present in Greece, in Kiefer, to foster the healthcare sector. So, first of all, I will describe the use case in radiology. So, something already existing, technology mature enough to build projects on that, and AI healthcare use cases for administration, for physician support, and patient support. Let's start with radiology. Description of SuperPod. This is a supercomputer which allows to do the project, countrywide project for radiology in country like Poland. So the full stack of what actually exists in Kiefer right now, on that we are able to build a countrywide solution for supporting radiology. But why is it for? So starting with the problem that we wanted to solve in Poland with such a project, we have limited number of radiologists in Poland. Many of them decide to work in other countries just after studies. They work in the UK, in Germany, and other European countries. So there is a need to have more support to describe medical images, such as the ones which Jakub mentioned, X-rays, CT, MRIs. And technology which is already developed, so MONAI platform and already certified medical models are able to do that. In Poland, we have 800 hospitals as an examples, small, large, and so on. And till this project started, there was a rule that first image comes, first is served. Now, Poland decided to change it with need first. So we need to analyze quickly medical image so that we could know that there is a possibility that something is wrong with this patient, because this patient could be released home before we get the description of his images. This project was started with 6 models, 2 for lungs, 2 for brains, 1 for mammography, and 1 for bones. But in fact, on such platform and on a SuperPod from Nvidia, you may run every medical AI model which is present on the European market right now. There are more than 130 of them present in the European market. So, what is the idea to use MONAI in radiology? First of all, we get data from medical practices, from clinics, from hospitals, emergency medical services, and pharmacies. We anonymize them, and what we get, we can use AI algorithms on that data to train models. We can also use already certified models to analyze current images of patients. We have a safe space for research and innovation for medical universities to build your own models on your own data in your country. And of course, we have medical data quality management. And who uses this system? Of course, patients, medical staff, administrative staff, but also scientific and research units, administration, pharmaceuticals, in fact, pharma and healthcare sector. Okay, let's go to the patient support. This is a project which we did in the hospital in Ottawa a year ago. It conducts pre-treatment interviews, so it enables the possibility for patient to contact the avatar, to discuss with him before the surgery. so that when the patient comes to the hospital is ready for this patient, has his documents, reviewed the documentation, and the patient is also prepared for his surgery, knows exactly where to go, who he meets, and what will be the procedures. I will show the quick movie.
Hello, I am your digital teammate and I'm here to assist you with questions about your pre-admission unit appointment. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm trying to prepare for a knee surgery and I have a couple questions. Let me start by asking one of the questions that you propose. What must I bring to my pre-admission unit appointment? Let me click on that.
Please bring all your medications in their original labeled bottles to your pre-admission unit appointment. It's also a good idea to bring a copy of your surgery pre-admission unit patient education booklet. If you have any medical records, consider bringing those as well. Do you have any other questions?
That's very interesting. I'm feeling a little bit apprehensive about the pain relief. Do you have any documents or stuff that you can tell me about that?
During your pre-admission unit appointment, a member of your healthcare team will discuss pain relief options with you. They will explain the benefits and risks of certain anesthetic techniques. You can also discuss any concerns or allergies you may have. I found some related content on pain relief. Would you like to take a look? Do you have any other questions?
This video will explain what to expect when having an epidural. You may be a candidate for this procedure for your upcoming surgery. The decision to proceed with an epidural will be made on the day of.
You can discuss your pain relief options with your anesthetist during your pre-admission unit appointment. They will explain the benefits and risks of certain anesthetic techniques. Do you have any other questions?
Yes, I'm curious about the type of people that I will see during that appointment. Can you tell me more about that?
During your pre-admission unit appointment, you will see multiple providers, including a nurse, physician, and phlebotomist. They will assess your overall health and prepare you for your upcoming surgery. Do you have any other questions?
Yes. Can you tell me more about fluid intake? What's the amount of fluids that I can take before the surgery?
You can have clear fluids up to 90 minutes, 1.5 hours, before your surgery. It's recommended to drink at least 2 cups, 500 milliliters, of clear fluids before your surgery. Examples of clear fluids include apple juice, white cranberry or white grape juice, and colorless soft drinks like Sprite or 7-Up. Do you have any other questions?
No, I think you were very helpful. Thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go for administration cases. So with Deloitte for 2 years, we are examining the market, the healthcare market, to find where Gen AI and AI solution can support physicians, but also administrative staff of hospitals. To do that, we announced for the second time this year competition for hospitals called AI Hospital Challenge, where hospitals can apply via our website. We do it also with the Ministry of Health and National Physician Institute and a few other institutes. So the idea is to give us ideas how to use AI and Gen AI in the daily practice. And the award is implementation of such idea. This year, a part of this competition was also Nvidia. So we use Nvidia solutions to implement those use cases. The first edition was won by National Institute of Oncology. Their project was to automate the process of preparing tender documentation. So what we did was the solution, few agents which prepares full tender documentation, the specification, contract proposals. It answers on bidders' questions and compares offers. This is a project which we just finalized. So what we estimate is 50 to 70% less time to create description of the tender documentation. The problem is that there are not many people in the area of preparing tender documentation, and it is prepared by several departments, well, law department, IT department, and so on. And in different formats, right now they have one solution for every department. This year, we picked a solution from a hospital in Wrocław. And the inspiration of it is AI Assistant. The name of it is AI Assistant. It's for medical equipment supervision. So this solution, there are in fact 6 agents. They analyze what happened, which device was broken, where's the failure. So the user can say, I want to repair this this device. This hospital has more than 10,000 different kind of devices. So the user can ask for the information how to fix this concrete device, and gets the information that if this device is under warranty, the ticket to the service center would be provided. If not, it will prepare RFQ to get the offer to fix the problem of this device. Other interesting projects which I would like to share with you, automatic dietitian assistant. It supports dietitians in assessing nutritional status and the eligibility of patients for nutritional therapy. So it's more medical concept of project, but also very interesting because we have shortage of clinical nutritional, let's say, dietitians, dietitians in Poland. So this is very useful solution for them. And the LuxMed, so a Polish chain of hospitals, they have 16 hospitals in Poland. We did for them the solution which analyzes medical documentation, patient disease and in fact health history, and medical knowledge basis, so that physician could spend more time with patient. Because as Deloitte, we did last year Global Health Goal Outlook. This is our report, annual report. And from this report, we see that physicians spend only 30% time with patients. The rest is administrative part, which is common. They have to fulfill many documents. And this solution gives them a summary of the patient documentation, and also enables them to answer questions to this documentation so that they could have more time for patient. Thank you very much.